Maaga tinapos yung laban kasi nag-release na yung original. Iba talaga kapag the OG ang nag-release ng kanilang version. If you are a fan of drinks, hot or cold pa yan, hindi mo madedenay na iba yung quality kapag galing talaga sa original. Ito na yung limited edition official partnership ni Coca-Cola with Germ or GERM. Iba talaga yung quality. Alam mo yung tipo pang re-regalo mo dapat, pero dahil sa sobrang ganda, you have just decided to keep it for yourself. I'm gonna run down quickly what you're going to love about it. Hindi to katulad ng mga available dito sa TikTok ha, yung tinatakan lang nila ng Coke. This is the official branded with trademark ni Coca-Cola. Tunog pa lang eh. Totally leak-proof and wait till you see what's inside. Naka-vacuum seal na stainless, totally leak-proof. Capacity nito is 590 ml, slightly bigger dun sa mga common na flask na nakita ko. And what I love about it is that it's very handy. And on all sides, ang ganda nung build niya. The craftsmanship talaga ang masasabi ko dito. Bilib na bilib ako. Alam mo talaga kapag galing sa original eh. Hindi katulad ng iba na natatanggal yung pintura pag ginamit or hinugasan mo. But this one, iba talaga yung dating nung kanyang design. How I wish I could have gotten the black one. Pero honestly, this white one, ang ganda rin talaga. Ang cute nga because it also comes with this strap which goes to this part para mas madali natin siya mabibitbit. If you have decided to give this as a gift, maganda rin talaga. Not only because of the box, but this is limited edition. Hindi siya yung tipo nagkalat sa market, kaya sobrang panalo. Ang sarap paglagyan ng coffee, mapa hot or cold man, di ba? So kung gusto mo na wala ka masyadong kapareho and you want something authentic and collectible, then can't go wrong with this one. So available in white or black color. Please give this a chance kasi if you click on the link below, you'll notice that bagong release lang to. So if you get this, you will be one of the first ones to get this limited edition Coca-Cola tumbler. So ano pang hinihintay mo? Please feel free to click on the basket. Stay safe and peace!